Good afternoon, everyone. This is Ramona coming to you from Social Media How-Tos with Ramona. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a website from your managed WordPress hosting. And this is for those who are not using a cPanel, and I will show you how to do this without using a WordPress plugin. Now, once you delete your website, you will be able to install a new site to your managed WordPress hosting without purchasing new hosting, and you will then be able to begin to build a completely new website. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to log in to your GoDaddy account. Once on your GoDaddy account, go ahead and click on the drop down to the right of your name in the right hand corner. Once you've clicked on that drop down, click on My Products. Once on the My Products page, scroll down until you see Manage WordPress. To the right of Manage WordPress, click on Manage All. This will bring you to the hosting page. Now, if you have multiple websites that you're working on, you will see a list of all the websites that you're working on. To the right of the website that you want to delete, click on the three dots. Next, you'll want to click on Remove. Next, you'll see a confirmation box that says Confirm. Are you sure you want to remove your site? This will delete all files and can't be undone. The next thing it's going to ask you to do is type remove in the box to confirm. Now, just as a reminder, this will not delete your managed WordPress hosting, but it will delete the website. If you're okay with that, go ahead and click remove. And as you can see, that website has been removed from my hosting. Now, in this particular section of the video, I'm going to show you how to go back and add a new website to that same managed WordPress hosting. Once again, click on the drop-down arrow to the right of your name in the upper right-hand corner and click on My Products. Once on the My Products page, scroll down until you see Manage WordPress Hosting. Click on the drop-down arrow to the left of Manage WordPress. Now you should see where it says Manage WordPress Deluxe or Manage WordPress Basic. As you can see, we're using Deluxe. And to the right of that, you'll see Edit Plan and Setup. Go ahead and click Setup so you can begin installing your managed WordPress hosting for your new site. GoDaddy will next ask you, how do you want to start? And if, by the way, this page looks different, just know that GoDaddy is constantly evolving and changing their pages. So even if you don't see this, the goal here is to create a new WordPress website. So it will ask you, do you want to create a new WordPress website, or do you want to import an existing WordPress website? At this time, what we're trying to do is to create a new WordPress site. And if you want to import an existing WordPress site, you can go ahead and do that. But let's go ahead. For those of us who are creating a new WordPress site, let's click on that. Next, it will ask you where you're located. The two options for me are North America and Europe. I'm going to go ahead and click North America. You can make your choice and then click Continue. Next, it will ask you to choose a WordPress username. By default, your username will also be your public display name. It says you can change this later in your profile settings. Now, I've had some situations where you cannot change this name, and then it tells you it needs to be 5 to 40 characters long, consist of only lowercase letters and numbers, and not be admin or administrator, and not be your customer number. So go ahead and choose your WordPress username, and I'll meet you back here. Once you've selected your WordPress username, click on Create My Site. You'll then get a message that says, that's it. We're preparing your new WordPress site now. This may take a couple of minutes, so hang tight. Once this gets to 100%, I'll meet you back here. Next, you should get a message that says, all done, your site is ready. It may bring you directly into your WordPress dashboard, just like it just did for me. But in some instances, it may have a button that says edit your site. When you click on edit your site, it will bring you into your WordPress dashboard. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that you'll receive notifications each time I post a new video. Once again, this is Ramona from Social Media How To's with Ramona. And with that, I want to say have an amazing day.